Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. Well, today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite soups, Peruvian soups, Aguadito de Pollo. Now, I'm not gonna tell you the translation in English. I want you to watch the video and then comment what will you call this soup in English. Now, January is National Soup Month. And what a great way to celebrate this month with this delicious soup that is full of vegetables. In Peru, traditionally, because the soup is a comfort food, we make it often at home. But also, they actually serve it after parties. And guess what time? 5, 6 a.m. Yeah, Peruvians love to dance and drink all night, especially at weddings. Now, they serve it because they want to send you home well fed. And they say, a happy stomach, happy heart. Now, my friends, are you ready? Let's get cooking. All right, so first we're gonna make a sauté of onion, and we're gonna sauté this until it's translucent, about 5 minutes. Now, in Peru, we call this aderezo. When we actually sauté garlic and onion, we always start with aderezo. Now we're gonna add some garlic and the bell peppers, and we're gonna cook for about 5 minutes. All right, so while this is cooking, what I'm gonna make is the secret sauce, which what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend chicken broth with cilantro. So now we're gonna add the cilantro to the blender and the chicken broth. All right, so now let's blend this. So as you see, I didn't wanna make a smoothie with this, so I did it just for a little bit until I got little, I pretty much chopped the cilantro with the broth. We want some pieces of cilantro like that. So now we're gonna pour the secret sauce, which is the cilantro with the chicken broth, blend it together. Then we are going to season with cumin, black pepper, and sea salt, so that all the flavors get evenly distributed. So now that the broth is boiling, we're gonna add the chicken. I use chicken legs. This soup will serve 4 people, so I'm adding 8 legs here. By the way, you can use any part of the chicken. I just happen to like legs. So you can use breast, thighs, a whole chicken cut in pieces. You decide. It's your soup. So next we're gonna add the potatoes. These are golden potatoes. Now we're gonna cook this for 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is completely cooked. Now that the chicken is done, we're gonna add the last 2 ingredients, which is the frozen vegetables and the cooked rice. I use brown rice in this case, but you can use white rice, any rice you like. All right, my friends, so now the soup is ready. Now, my friends, the best part, the taste. Let's see. Wow, so good, perfecto. This soup truly is delicious and is comforting and full of plants. So make it. And you know what? It's also budget friendly. So easy to make, delicious. I mean, you have all the winner factors here. I hope you make it. Remember, the recipe is on my blog, Villacorta.com. Now, if you like what you're seeing so far, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can see more of Manuel's Caliente's Kitchen's nutrition topics and recipes. Until next time, my friends, and thank you for watching.